Good morning. Today is Friday again. Another video on a Friday. Seems to be a trend. Today is the first good weather day that we're going to have for several days. We got rained out yesterday and the previous day. So what I'm doing is I'm heading to the yard right now to pick up a key for our tractor, which is over on the ranch. We've got a little bit of cleanup to do with the dirt over there. We got a little bit behind on that because of the tire situation on the tractor from the previous video. The tire is all fixed up, back on the tractor. I got about an hour of work over there, I estimate. Then we're going to hop in the truck. We're going to head down to our job site in Hollister and help Modern Earth get started on their French drain down there. It's a little chilly. This morning we'll let the glow plugs work a little bit. Should turn right over. Wish I had remembered to bring a towel. Oh, nice wet seat. This ended up being a lot more than an hour worth of work. This mud was incredibly hard to work with. It was sticking to my bucket like crazy. If this was dry, it was definitely an hour's worth of work, but it turned into 3 hours just because of the condition of the material. I don't have the backhoe on the back of this tractor, so I have not a lot of weight behind me. And when the bucket is unevenly loaded, it wants to pull one of the tires off the ground. A little bit of a nerve-wracking feeling. Okay, I got that cleaned up just about as good as I could. It took much longer than anticipated or planned because My gosh, it was so soft and soupy. At least we got all this material that was in our way pushed all back, stacked in the back. This is all just still very gummy, so we'll give that a day to dry up. It's supposed to be sunny for the rest of the day, so that should work in our favor. Modern Earth is not going to be hauling material today. They are just stockpiling it down on the job site off to the side. So I'm going to hop in the car, head down that way, and see what we got to do. Okay, we made it. Just pulled up on the job site. The clients are back home. So let's go say hello and see what's up. Looks like they're piling the stuff up there. Good.
That pad in. I saw that on
This is nothing compared to over at Grandpa's place.
Really? Where we've been trucking all of this?
If this was dry, it would have taken me a half an hour to clean up today. It took me 3 hours because it was very heavy and sticky.
This
At least it's not raining. Where's it set up?
Huh?
Where's the transmitter set up?
Right back there on the grid on the log. Yeah. I don't know if I got it over far enough, if I'm in the way or what. Take it down the hole, see?
Yeah, you're in the way.
Too far over, it gets in the way.
Yeah, you're in the way. Nope, I can see from right here. I can see where it does its final step up. You guys get anything done the last couple days?
Not here, no.
Well, not here, but yeah, in general.
Yesterday we went to our shop and cleaned out trucks. We got all our salting stuff returned.
Uh-huh.
And cleaned the shop up, but other than that,
Yeah.
no, me and him worked on our boat at the house. We actually got our boat loaded on the trailer.
The pontoon?
Yeah.
How to make a homemade pontoon trailer.
Yeah.
I don't put beef on them.
Yeah, I remember you were saying that the other day.
Oh yeah.
We got it all finished. We were using our skid steer that's halfway broken. One side, the drive chains and all that broke on it. We worked it down there and picked it up so far. My back trailer underneath it.
Yeah.
And we went to go put it behind and get it turned around to kind of pick up the back. And it got stuck. So we hooked up the winch on the trailer.
Pulled it on.
Me, my sister's fiance, and a buddy went back there and picked the accident of it because the motor kept going into the ground.
Yeah.
At that point, it killed him so bad.
Drop that. Check right at grade. Tell me what the number is.
Can you drag the perforated pipe?
What?
The pipe. It's got to come way down. It's going to be down here somewhere.
Out of the way?
Yep.
Yeah, you're in the way.
Yeah, suck your gut in.
That might be hard to do. I know it is with me.
Too much McDonald's.
That don't sound right beeping that quick.
Do we have ours?
So it should work. It was just working a little bit ago.
Yeah. Could be.
Did he move it with it on or off?
Probably on.
Yeah, I think you got 7 off. So they recalibrate themselves.
You guys been watching yourselves?
That one time we did a little bit.
That with the skid loader, world's biggest skid loader.
Yeah, that
That
one
one?
where I was where I started digging the wall.
Oh yeah. There it is.
Definitely sounds a lot better.
Three, 8.5.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
3, 8.5.
Go up 1 foot 10.
Should be on the 6.5. Right there. Hey Dad,
Yeah.
we should be at 5, 6.5, right?
5 foot,
Look at that.
5 foot 6.5.
Tick.
Yeah.
Buddy, bastard. So we're gonna come down.
Inches.
Well, he was going right there in the middle.
Yeah, he wanted that vein right there. He wanted the main tap.
Stick it down in there, Cole.
We're good. Just gonna grab the camera gear, get set up here, take some cool shots.
You want me to figure out the slope? You're not gonna dig that level, right? So the difference is quite a bit. From where you start to where we're ending is obviously going uphill.
Right.
So I need to know that distance. Hey Dane, is my long tape measure in the truck? It is. It's in my black box like that.
In the back.
Yep. I'll give you every 5 foot bottom of hole.
Yeah.
Can you grab my big tape measure?
Yep.
It's in the black bag.
What do you say?
Yeah, I guess that'd help on the gravel for that. I was thinking of getting that.
You going in to get one?
Great.
We just want whatever the slope is, whatever our finished grade is, and our grade's gonna run perfectly sloped from that finish to where we want to finish out here in the yard. So, you know, if I can just give you what the bottom is, the slope, and then every 5 feet, I'll tell you what the bottom of hole is.
Okay.
We can even spray paint it on the side if you want. And then you just reset the your laser. There you go. You gotta hold this. There. Like 41 feet.
So how long have you done landscaping?
About 5 weeks.
Learned a lot.
I'm just kidding. This is the first company I actually owned. Right out of high school, I went right into landscaping. And after college, I went into, while I was in college, I started doing personal training for extra cash. And then that turned into, I grew that business like crazy. So I kind of took a little hiatus professionally from construction for about 10 years actually. You know, I did like small projects on the side and stuff like that with him and other family, but I was a gym owner for 10 years. We're mostly residential construction.
Yeah.
Carpentry, framing, stuff like that. This is a little bit out of the norm for us. That's why you guys are here. The horsepower. Okay, let's get this bad boy up in the air, and I'm going to explain what Dad's doing right now. So let's see if I can explain these blue lines a little bit better. Dad is marking every 5 foot on the ground, and what that's going to represent is where, in stages, we need to adjust our elevation. The yard is not perfectly flat, it's actually pitching downhill towards us on purpose. And so what we want to do is we want to adjust our grade at the bottom of our ditch according to how our grade is naturally going to go. We don't want to dig this French drain any deeper than we need to. Tell me anyone else who can land it like that.
I think I'm gonna start digging, kind of bring that over here too, so I'm not in a.
Yeah, we have to. It's sort of a three-way intersection there.
Yeah.
Obviously, at some point in there is that water line.
Yeah, and it's what, like 2 foot down?
It's bright blue. You can't miss it. Actually, no. It's wrapped in that plastic materials.
Yeah, that's what the dad was saying that you guys got it scheduled.
Yeah, I got a shovel here.
That was 2 foot down from what? Underneath of that red cap?
At least, no, I think it's more like 30 inches from the top of the red cap. You got quite a bit to go. It ain't on that side. So it comes off of the wellhead this way, okay?
He's got it pretty much.
Then it runs.
Underneath that blue line.
The blue line's pretty exact. There's stone in the trench that we dug going up, but once you get down in here, it's sand. Keep going, keep going. Harvey, if you went about the depth of your tooth, maybe a little less, we're good. Yeah, we're from here down, we were at least 30.
Whoa.
Black pipe.
Found it.
Found it.
I ain't hooked on it, right?
No,
I don't think you damaged it. You damaged the coating a little bit.
that's fine. No big deal.
It's sacrificial. It's meant to.
You would know.
Water pipe's inside of it.
Yeah, you would know. There's quite a bit of pressure on that line. We're good. Okay, now that we found our first obstacle, Harvey's going to continue digging and work his way backwards out of that area. We're going to be connecting a few intersecting elements, so enjoy the music and enjoy the video. It is warming up, baby. Nice beautiful day. Got too warm for the long sleeve shirt even. Okay, I think we're gonna take lunch now. Oh yeah.
I think it's pork.
It smells good, whatever it is.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
it's always good. She can cook. I grabbed some bottles of water. We didn't have much. We just got back, so the fridge is empty. I might have beer in the back. I'm not sure. They would be warm.
Yeah, we don't need that. At least I don't.
We just came back from Austria. All the contractors have beer at their lunch. It was the craziest thing I ever saw. They're all sitting around drinking beer at lunch and back up on the scaffold.
All the Italians have wine at lunch.
Yeah, and back on the scaffold.
They have
right
wine
after
all day.
lunch. That was the part that we were up at this medieval fort that they were resupporting the wall, and so they're just resupporting the rocks so they don't fall down and kill somebody. And they're all having a lunch break, and they got big old bottles of Reistetter beer.
Nice.
I was shocked when I saw it. It's like, wow.
Yeah, I know a lot of people on their lunch, they'll go somewhere and have a beer or two. I've never been able to do that.
Yeah. When I was in sales, yeah, my customers used to like to go for a liquid lunch. But then when all the drunk driving laws got strict, that nonsense ended.
Not sure, gentlemen. Is it okay?
Yes.
What, is this pork?
This is pork, yeah.
Okay, I thought so, but I wasn't sure.
You only need enough to get out to there. And we'll look at the key.
Oh, got it backwards.
It's inside out.
Yep.
Oh, this pipe's all defective. It's got cuts all in it. Start all the way here. Like maybe two more. One there, one there. Goes the next. Let's get them spread out by one.
Got plenty of zip ties. It's probably good, huh? So since this trench, its only purpose is going to be tying in this gutter downspout, we will not be backfilling this completely with stone. Rather, we'll be just backfilling it with the material that came out of it. In this case, we want to use Marafi or landscape fabric to wrap the perforated pipe so that dirt does not end up clogging the pipe rendering it useless. Okay, we're going to start bringing stone in. What we want to do is lay a 4 to 6 inch bed of stone all the way through the trench. What Dad is holding now is a long length of PVC pipe, which is going to be cut to length as a riser for that pop-up cap, which was the green cap that you saw there. The purpose of that is that so that if this French drain ever hits capacity for its storage, the water will run down to that cap. The cap will pop up automatically and release the overflow. Everything seems to be going real well. Making good progress today. It's nice when you got 4 guys working, and it's nice out for a change. We're just getting some more stone. Into our French drain, and we'll be in really good shape. This is definitely the more complicated area of the yard because we have so many things going on. We have sort of a 3-way intersection right here, and actually kind of like a 4-way intersection. We have the gutter downspout coming this way, drainage from the back of the wall coming through this way, and the French drain running through. And then there's a little extension of the trench this way for the propane. Okay, we just finished up that 4-way intersection area, got that all backfilled. We're continuing on through the majority part of the lawn now, where we're also going to have another connection to a downspout. Drag that way. Gonna try to get some stone underneath this. We want to hold the gutter downspout connection up with just a little bit so that water is encouraged to flow downhill.
get onto the.
We're good?
Finally, a sunny day, huh?
Yeah.
You guys said you liked the moat so much, we brought another one back for you.
Yeah, we missed it.
We'll bring some alligators.
We missed our alligators. Actually, you know, we had the geese swimming in it.
Did you really?
Yeah, right. Two geese, one they said here, and one was swimming in it. Oh, we were laughing.
That's hilarious.
Or if there's enough line, or do I need to run to be getting some line?
Well, that looks like it's long enough to shoot down here, doesn't it? Just grab it. Yeah, we're good on that one. That's good.
Yeah, I dug out and pull down as it comes.
Yeah.
Get a reach.
I think we have plenty. We have that one last gutter spout too. We actually decided to abort that gutter downspout on the corner of the house there because it's the end of our French drain anyways. The water's not going to really have anywhere to go. I think we'll make it work. I think it's plenty.
Yeah. Line it all up. Because we just have to go to right up there.
Stretch it out. Right now, looks like it's not fully used.
Okay, Harvey got this intersection dug out for us. Now it's time to make our final T connection. We already told that joke. Watch the corner. Just gotta watch that corner. Check out how tight the turn radius on this excavator is. You'll notice that the entire arm can pivot right at the first joint, and it pivots all the way in and tucks in towards the cabin. Super cool.
Don't step up there. Just like disappear.
Let him push it. Just let him push it with the bucket. A lot easier than raking.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna complain.
Just pull.
Guys. There. This you're planning on putting a pop-up here, right? Planning on putting a pop-up here too?
Yeah, I got another one. It should be in that box over there.
That is going to do it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I would have filmed all the way to the end, but unfortunately my camera batteries had a different idea. This ended up being a 12+ hour day. These guys stayed late on a Friday to get this completely done for us. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, have a great one guys, enjoy yourself, and we'll see you on the next one. Adios!